If you're experiencing login issues on Glow 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to any capitalization or special characters that may be required. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the ISRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update the app. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Glow app. Visit your device's app store to check for updates and install them if available. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Glow customer support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting or help reset your account if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter on Glow 2026. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.